Welcome to the NSS unit of GN Khalsa College. As you are aware that our college motto is Essence of Wisdom is Service to Humanity, and with the same motivation, we are thriving to take our NSS unit forward.
ये एनएसएस की रजिस्ट्रेशन का डेस्क।
एनएसएस क्या होता है?
अरे बोल।
एनएसएस एक गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव है जिसका प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स के पर्सनैलिटी और उनके स्किल्स को डेवलप करना है थ्रू वॉलंटरी कम्युनिटी।
हाँ, पर इसमें करना क्या होता है?
240 आवर्स करने होते हैं। फर्स्ट ईयर में 120 एंड सेकेंड ईयर में 120।
20 आवर्स में करना क्या होता है?
4 क्राइटेरिया होते हैं, AB1, AB2, कॉलेज लेवल और यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल। AB1 और AB2 40-40 आवर्स के प्रोजेक्ट है और कॉलेज लेवल और यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल 20-20 आवर्स।
ये AB1 AB2 क्या है?
In AB1 activities in the National Service Scheme NSS, volunteers participate in a range of projects and events that aim to make a meaningful difference in the community. These activities includes initiatives like beach cleanup, tree plantation, plastic waste collection, composting and gardening, and MNP activities like road construction, gardening and cleaning, e-waste collection, MNP flower exhibition, and different seminars and webinars and awareness rallies. The AB1 activities serve as a platform for the volunteers to collaborate, learn new skills, and contribute to the betterment of society.
The AB2 project is related to health and hygiene as the part of NSS focusing and promoting community health and improving sanitation practice. The project conducts 40 hours that take place to different activities. We perform activities like blood donation, pulse polio drive, medical checkup, vaccination drive and workshop on personal hygiene and disease prevention. We frequently collaborate with NGOs and local government to enhance our influence on the respective activity. To continue efforts and community collaboration, the project aims to achieve improvement in health and hygiene standards.
College level consists of 20 hours. In this, various community service initiatives including crowd management, traffic control, Dan Utsav, Diya painting, college fest, various seminars and rallies are conducted in our adopted area and adopted village as well as in college. Volunteers come together to take our unit forward, as collective efforts of all NSS volunteers have the power to transform communities and inspire a brighter future for all.
NSS at the university level empowers students to develop leadership skills and a sense of civic responsibility. NSS volunteers are obedient to acknowledge such big events. Events at this level includes seminars, rallies and mainly convocation hall events, through which we go through a lot of history that we feel proud of and are always welcome to their service.
The 7-day NSS residential camp is a crucial component of NSS. Set across a week, the camp fosters teamwork, leadership, and community engagement through various activities, workshops, and outreach initiatives. Participants actively contribute to social causes, enhancing their understanding of societal issues and their roles as a responsible citizen. The camp serves as an important platform for personal growth, friendships, and meaningful contribution to the society.
After completion of 2 years of National Service Scheme, volunteer will get national level certificate from Government of India, which is most valuable. Volunteer will get benefit of maximum 10 grace marks in the last semester of the respective academic year according to the Ordinance 229A after completion of 120 hours of social service under NSS.
गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे है हमने वो दिन, ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
ये जाति धर्म बोलियां बने न शूल राह की, बढ़ाए बेल प्रेम की अखंडता की चाह की, सद्भावना से ये चमन निखार दे, सद्भावना से ये चमन निखार दे। वसुंधरा सवार दे।
What are you waiting for? Join the NSS unit of our college and let's create better world together.